the video about 25th February 2021. After the morning slot, I have made the video that is of evening slot, so you can check what kind of exam was there and also how was the reading, listening, and what were the writing tasks, even of general as well as academic. So let's go ahead and find out what kind of questions were there. Let's talk about the listening first. In listening, we had part one that was of fill-ups. It was quite easy. Part two was MCQs and it was quite moderate. Part three, which was math information, and also it was a moderate type of question. Then part four was fill-ups, and they were quite easy. So you can prepare according to this and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button, and also you hit the bell button also so that you get the timely notifications. So let's go further for the reading part. First of all, we will talk about the reading part academic. Yeah, for academic students, the reading was quite, the first passage was moderate. The second passage was easier as compared to the first passage, and the third passage was again moderate. So, overall, what kind of reading was there? That was overall moderate type of thing. So, when you have a moderate type of reading, make sure that you practice hard, you work hard, you paraphrase, learn the paraphrasing means you know the synonyms of it and how to find out the meanings, how to do true false not given in MCQs. These are the most important things. About the reading for the general students, the reading was quite easier as compared to the academic students. The section 1 was easy, section 2 was also easy, and section 3, that was a kind of moderate one because it was related to migration of ancestors in New Zealand. So general students, hopefully the next exam could also be the easier one. You can check the prediction video which is also given in my playlist as general playlist. You can check that and you will find out the various types of questions which are going to be asked, which are going to be there in the next 4th March and 13th March, all the March dates you can check. Coming to writing task one, that is for academic. First of all, we'll talk about the academic as I told. That will be the line graph. It was a line graph there and it was a simple line graph. Task one for general was a formal letter and it was related to the company manager, that write a letter to the company manager about the good service of a tourist guide. So you are going to use the formal vocabulary here. No casual and no informal vocabulary is to be used in this task. Please make sure that you write accordingly, otherwise you will not get good bands, right? Make sure that. Okay, writing task 2 was I would say problem solution essay because it was easy. The question was, doctors recommend that older people should get regular exercise. However, many older people do not exercise enough. What could be the reasons for this and what can be done to encourage them to exercise? This could be the descriptive type where the problems are what could be the reasons for this, and the other paragraph will be of how what can be done, means you need to write the solutions there. So the intro where you need to paraphrase, and then body paragraph where the problems, what are the reasons for this, the third paragraph will be of the solutions, and the fourth will be the conclusion part. If you want to see the sample, just move to the next slide. Okay, if I talk about the sample answer, it is there. Many elderly people today, despite the advice of the doctors, do not receive adequate exercise. I believe this has a lot of to do with the upbringing and simple psychology, and the best solutions complement existing drugs. So, in overall, you will write like this: no short forms, no etc. You make sure that you use the topic sentence first of all, and then you will use the topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph, and then you have to support with the example. So overall, one of the student, he wrote this and I have just uploaded that. Just make sure that you don't go according to this only, but yes, it is somehow same related to the question, so that is why I have uploaded it here. You can see that. Let's go ahead. There is one more task I will be sharing. Continue with the sample answer. The next, what are the effective solutions? So the next paragraph will be of the solutions, and you will explain it with the help of the examples. No personal examples. Please make sure that you have to write the examples which are factual and global, right? And last will be the conclusions, where you will again relate it to the intro part. Otherwise, you will not get the bands if you are not linking it to the intro and the conclusion are not in sync. Okay, one more student. He also gave the exam. He appeared for the exam, and he was from some other country. And I got this. That was nowadays culture is much the same all around the world when compared to previous times. Do you think it's a positive or a negative development? This was also asked in IELTS exam on 25th Feb 2021. So make sure that you practice hard these questions and also check whether these are uh, they can come in the next exam too. Well, thanks for watching my video and hope you like it. Hope you prepare according to this, and subscribe to the channel, that is Sapna Master IELTS. My Facebook page and Instagram page is masterclass.ielts, and I have my WhatsApp group, that is Masterclass IELTS, and you can contact me on 7986306731 for more classes and also the WhatsApp group. Take care everybody. Bye bye.